Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is the latest addition to Xiaomi's Redmi Note lineup with a 200 megapixel rear camera, 120 watt Hypercharge support, 120Hz 3D curved AMOLED display, and MediaTek's Dimensity 7200 Ultra 5G SoC. And we got our hands on the device for some time. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video, we share our first look at the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. So let's get started. Let's see what the retail box packs in. The smartphone comes in a new packaging that the brand started using since the Redmi 13 series, with the smartphone name and company branding on top, and at the back we have the specs printed. Upon unboxing, we are greeted with this box that has Redmi printed on it. We'll keep this and the smartphone aside for now. We then have the 120 watt Hypercharge adapter and the USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. Coming back to this box, we have the SIM eject tool, some documentation, and the silicone case. Coming to the smartphone, we have with us the Fusion Purple color variant. It does come in two more color options, Fusion White and Fusion Black. The Fusion Purple color variant has a matte finished leather-like back panel with matte finished side rails. The smartphone sports a 3-camera setup including a primary 200 megapixel camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus sports a 6.67-inch 1.5K 120Hz curved AMOLED display with a claimed peak brightness level of 1800 nits. The display also houses the 16-megapixel front camera in a hole punch cutout and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The smartphone comes in 3 configurations: 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, and lastly 12GB of RAM with 512GB of storage. It comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that can charge using the provided 120 watt Hypercharge adapter and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra 5G SoC. The device runs Xiaomi's MIUI 14, which is based on Android 13. Let us know what you think of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G in the comments. If you like this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets 360 for all things tech. See you guys in the next one.